Come test drive the 2020 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, trip computer, clock, fog lights, electronic stability control, leather seats, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, day-night rear view mirror. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.